Hi, I'm Dr. Holley Muraco, and I'm the Director of Research for the Mississippi Aquarium. This week we're talking about invasive species. Invasive species is anything that isn't native to a particular habitat and causes damage. Late winter is an excellent time to go out into the woods and look for invasive species. Most of our native species here in Mississippi, at least up here in the north, this time of year have not budded out yet. So nothing should be green aside from a pine or a cedar. So when you look into the woods and you see a nice bright green plant, such as this, there's a pretty good chance it's probably invasive. And in this case, this is the Chinese privet tree. One of the things that I like to do is what I call a tree rescue. And in this case, there's a Japanese honeysuckle that's cutting off the sap to this young tree. So what I'm going to do is simple. I'm going to cut the honeysuckle vine to give the tree a little time to recover. Now, the honeysuckle vine has been cut, so all of these areas where the vine has been wrapped around the tree are going to get some relief. I won't be able to unwind the entire thing, but at least at this point, the tree will have a chance this spring to get some sap into these branches. Here is an example of long-term damage done by a Japanese honeysuckle to this beautiful maple tree. And as you can see, the maple tree has lost this massive limb due to the weakness that it experienced from having the sap choked out. Well, thanks for watching. Hopefully you learned a couple of things. One of the best things you can do to combat invasive species is simply educating yourself about what invasive species are prevalent in your area. And once you can identify them, then you can remove them, or even in some cases report them to your state agencies. And the other thing you can do is buy native. Buy native plants for your yard. It supplies an amazing habitat, food source for our native insects and birds, and it's one of the simplest forms of conservation that you can do.